Jumadi no atudi ojatana. Said I will no Monday through to Fridays. And I do ojatana program. Bro. Oh, cheers. 90.7 FM. Move share and write me go Facebook. Because of a Crawford network, you know. And then your Facebook Live. Or hene Kwame Yamwa. And then Facebook Live. Or hene Kwame Yamwa. And you call Uya. Na ubi pe. No I share. Now so there are 2 pages. So no be so far. Or the shares are no be so share. Na nyame adoma. Messages are ye carry across. Edi amagana mpedimfo, especially amanyofo no. Almost that to me aka ntentem. Na enyema timi akoyi. Na Ghana nti e na yebre. Sebe enkwara ne nyum no. O se ya man kra se be hwepo. O se friends Kwame yogurt ana. Yebre. E body shale friends. Kwame yogurt aha, o de Kwame Eugene. O se ya man kra se be hwepo. Ya hye dan tu kwan firi kumasa mata kra de se ye be dwa no mu asori akokwa. Na emu se da be Ghana be koso nti. Yes, we contribute a quota to the development of this region and Ghana at large. And the Abusia, Mewani, Nako Facebook, or Hene Kwame, Yamwa, na share farmer or young community so shebi. Nafi, message yen carried across. And come and for Ghana ha. If you are so the ding, it can be beer one tip. It's all bustle, no penny say. Abosoba, and a major paye. Nasabe Yado, who could look to 40 more. Baby, I want to quack no. Any here pa. And your ha. Now your hammer Ghana. I cheers 90.7 FM. Ojatana no asuguso wutie. And the Janko so ebo bichidom. Janko so ha as usual. Sanso ena Mr. K. Enso ebo bichidom. And then Friday DJ Visa so ha. But any aswana we also could do maybe ama na program akonanim. Paulina Poponu Kutulam. Paulina our condolences to you. Paulina, enya ye. Enti ene ye nyina ye boy ye nua ba no. Ye ba ne hyede. Nua wo de enye de. Se wotewa ne aka che se wo nua firi mu prekope. Onya de. Ne afra obo ma ya no de pa. Enu nti ye ma ne yakọ ene awie. Awusa ehia. Se de bia ye no ye wa. Na eno ne nsem beto dwa se John Dramani Mahama. Esiem se ejata. Ensebri na mbiemu se mrahye bedwam 137 se dem se bakaka no se ebetumi akoyi ama MPP aban ama bibia MPP fo be no ebetumi akura nimu a na wonya NDC fo chitaye de a ene na Extin Cubic Bauxite Mining Site awa Ashanti region nyina hini John Dramani Mahama edi ma ne nua Ibrahim Mahama 2016, the eve of 2016, and papa eded me man nua. Na do be dey ade 2017, and wajidama sign hydro for. Enti John Dramani Mahama, na allegation is say, or say before NDC for parliament, bet me can be the MPP for. Na mamo let me akuna no. I just said you meko no. Akufo do sa preso, ede mani nua Ibrahim Mahama. Ansana Ghana mamboro etime akoye dia makufo do. And I said me told ya Emma Centrefo in our cabby, ya course or home. And you read, and a JD and 2 just said, the office the buy say, on ye that doing that. Sir, not buying no. Any I could follow buying 8 to us on it, Debbie. I want to mean yet a cord that. As far as 2020 elections are concerned, ultimately, John first I could follow. I'm buying any and the member yet a cord that. Into one country I could follow say, on fat, a Juman Manunia. Now, or also. M1 man na mu nkoso John Dramani Mahama e dia betu ya so kasa nti bo mo kasa ni na mo twemu ano enwofom be ba shaw mrahye bejafo e dia koto ye friend say speaker anim say omomodin bia na on kan che omampani na da gwa kufado ene Ghana aban say Ghana ha se bronika say insecurity a e che say e bambo no atopete enkoye enti aban hwe se obema ye mbambo ekoso maimu no etimi aye akonanim anye saa se de Ghana mamuo no ye bambo no sim koyi amanfo wuo de bi kuma amanfo de bi ji amanfo gasi kuo mo de ka ho no ahwe ye de asambeba nti wo se apenimfo hwe na omo akika nsem yi na namso de asodwi aba I don't need to make any demands to gel with Akufo-Addo. Mahama Seba Mekan no. And I was at the back of the Jano. On the agenda, sorry, Akufo-Addo, every 2 hours. Timunya is as a Mokano. Never soon, Jimra. And I'm so, I'm Akufo-Addo. And so, any directives, I'm a Ghana, Mpedimfo say. Yen share your name, your sons, and no more say. And some because of Ghana, and here's as also be see. If yes, you can hear between us, Ghana. Nina and some Akufo-Addo to the two ya. Say Ghana for one prepare me who ye. Now, there's a way be. None of the two just say. I buy Adaya who do what Ghana ha. State buildings, as a state institutions, everyone buildings. And Penifonsha say, Obehe, say a dine with Jan nice one, and a day beer. Any young nice Ubiano. Bibia wasn't penny 4 years for home. Now a dine to be Jan nice one, Sana, as I saw sort of Aban Kramemu, Ghana, especially Kramemono. Aban sent Penifonsha no more. And you balance the pillar near Bomono. Say more ha, 1 million because here. In chain, but I'm sorry to me, boy. I said, "Oh, so." And then you wait, and I may issue caution statement, caution. And I'm gonna contractor for a yes, shoddy works, or just cast all see Diane. And so the 5 iron rod and the ship plan, man, over 12 every day, 5 to 6. No go for a beer, 1.7, 1.3, 1.2, not their ship. And the Cobana Sana was the Danny Sword here. There's a bedroom bremino. Sir Kobasa was a Danny Bugua, I want deal with the bit in the big dinner. Now catch me, my Danny Jan, so it just I want no. It sounds 6 millimeters, that's all the there's over 1.2, over 2.4 iron rod, now there, Joanna. Cement, you know, also for the no day, net you couldn't anymore, not for the upper chair, no, the boom, or some for the kid too heavy. Yen himself Ghana had it. Nkau si Diane, over far, a biania. Wheelbarrow 3, over cement, 1 now the boom, as Ghana ha. I bet you my phone. Over fat wheelbarrow 2, a present 4, 5, 6. You know, their first cement 1 bag. It just has to see a Danny Babu. And Akufo-Addo say, what the directives are. I don't who do Ghana hair, buy down who do in a Penifonsha. Sunday bear, Hodinima, yet can even see me. That's also the bar. And go for a sem. Alfama. Yakwim Ora Isaac Siama. Now, a former sports minister. I caught the Pesiaso. Eddie, I got to don't go to him. Senana, MPP is far better than any other political party in Ghana here. And this is Nana. Oh, catch your own crow for say 2024. You are 2 Abanian to Mamma Penibia and as a Bandia and I'm a Yokobia. Any MPP, I'm in your cool son say, I'm a Yokoni far better than any other political party, including the NDC. As someone, Ora Isaac Siama, Eddie Atuja, and I can be a chewy. Nanu ya what say, Nasan Krapun Kodai, Kaswa teenagers. She said, Kolana or woo ya, Akolano woo ya, and Kolanki to the cool no, a home some sorry. Then some police Piero, DSP are in upon their 2 Jan said, a year Central Regional Police Piero, DSP are in upon or say, a woman Kolana di bonnet, or more dear, dear. There's all shut, won't fear what dear. Edison is here now, put me from Kolan tomb, and moon fear. And she ye. Sasana Manicha Obia Kumuba, I say what dear for life. Oh, when it built, they'd not 5 years. More sad than a nearby. Now I trust no did and no a feeling. Says a who way, and he never see. And so who way he never see because we're minor. Nakwada 18 years, 17 years, to me just can grow. Sakwada 18 years in this can grow by beer. And that's what me who say for life, life imprisonment, and so baby. Yes, some random. And now me can ha. Senate and constitution no been Timas here. I say prior hojo, a JJB, na yiribi. Masa mum. Because I could always be watching your cool say, but Nico is kedra. And then here video damn raho. Near said to form the Akrada Ura or Catados because someone is so body bonnet. Or say, and Cadrium Power which you want. And come on for Kranum to complain from coffee and then penny for my share. There's one way. Or want to form Kofa Shabu, and to form the Akrada Uraho. It is a bomb like I say, the way in your condemn 5 years, and I'm more than a maximum of 5 years. No, I saw me family Lydia. Ghana, a 2 year. What does suit you, Medino? High cheers 90.7, 18 after 1. And then Friday, April Moon, Rasa, no, you're queer, man. Young queer, yes, I can Mike Atta. And this original communications team member, or her, and anybody who comes out of as usual. Not for your people, so, Yanaba, ama ya to dwumadi no so ena se me de nkomo no John Mahama is destroying NDC. We will keep picketing. We will keep demonstrating for 2020 pink sheets. NDC group. And I can share NDC party leaders. And everybody else will home come on. Everybody else will come on. I could phone so. Now, you and penny phone so adding come on. You see, here. You did group, no? Also, a from a young kid, so say, what a young boy was home. Almost the kid, baby, friendly, baby. As you have more idea, anyone penny a friend or Livingston. Nenny come on, Livingston, pay Charlie, everything come on, Kakawa. NPP group calls for action against Honorable Sir Chairman Sabonsu on the non-account flag bearership comments. So that's what Sir Chairman Sabonsu can do. I'm doing what I'm telling you. And say, because Sir Chairman Sabonsu, I minority leader for 60 years in Parliament. Now I'm gonna fall. Now one for. Now friends same for. Anyone I cow a hunter for. Now more. And so Sir Chairman Sabonsu and Chino. So people are media because friends minority leadership no. And I come from one they say be. Obey majority leader. How many years he be? Watch it home. What does so? Me Sir Chairman Sabonsu mpesi aso na mshabra abasi kumase. But yes, the same thing can be abano. As well, kind of me yes, sure, said Bessie net, and guess what? That's a class of them. And you can net, I can say, honorable say, Chairman Sabonsu, and that's so some no kind of so. And so, no, so, okay, no, so, okay, to the extent of telling, with the media men said, or not there, what can you, and one option, also pass or count here. Parliamentary, minister. What's I then put? Majority leader in Parliament. A very staunch member of the New Patriotic Party. To make us some way, so I come out in 2,000 come again. All because you are lobbying for somebody. Say be an archie, Ubenya vice president. And now say people are even saying, say, why this is a baby? And what they yes are. That's what people are saying. And Alan factions was so much sure say Alan has money. He's dusted. A boss said, and can tell you that committing me at all. But you're funny now, touch and you can say, the role says she means about to get me material in the yard. Yay, a mamma, you couldn't go to a mother. A Congress, National Delegate Congress. No more Koroma to a yipa, nobody also. Now I tell you, be free, that's why I can't. Yes, you're your ha. Nana, you're powerful. By one of the fans of Alan Chamatin. Or the Tuja was also Chairman Sabonsu is lobbying for 2024 running mate slots. Sir, and another for the Tuja. It's a wow if you know what I bet you may decide. Said opinion, sorry, all can answer me. But you decide. As some manager home pass, stop chasing women and work hard to promote Ghana. Hassan Ayariga was say Ghana for member permanent mum and can come Rasha with your four. Also parliamentarians Pemma. Maybe Hassan Ayariga APC All People's Congress. Nasemi. Also me ashebe ja for Ghana Pemma papa. Mo Pemma. Na se mo pani ye pa da ka munya amape. Na mo fam progress Ghana munya adwuma. O kan story na. Also bra Ghana ni Ghana ma ashebe we ni de betena se adwene no de aye ne ma na o de di machi. O ma we e friends mo friends coupon. Kwaji fuel ha. Na akwaji fagu ka mu. Eni emu free lunch. Kodi di wa ha. Honorable Smesi. Or say the omodi omusika ne Ghana man wone ya no. Abrabo na nkasa o say man friends Ghana mpanimfo bo, especially MPs. Na no asa no. MPs litimi bo. Na Ghana kona nim no. Omombo. Omda na marry. Ndosi mu ya marry. Stop chasing the young girls. Stick to your wives. Now progress Ghana. This is what Ayaga is saying. Mpanimfo say. Say bo chichi. Ofin so as meka to den chemawu a. Ye na chinye otimbi odundu eko meetings ahodo ina so okobi ene onim gesa omo pa ayese fefe mfie a omo tibi tretwa mo na so krampo friends meeting ase ye meeting no ne ma no etete mo ka mu ne aso air condition si omo so wo be meeting no for 6 hours for hour air condition mo ka no na otim na wo ye course okuta iPhone na wo di nuane akese ni na e kabo Emma concentration yaduma. Nti ayere ka se nga kye mo MPs ne se munya ma asem. Kala nketo adi ne munyai. Na muntu Ghana. Ahun pon na konanim. Ya bre 64 years. It does not crack to pick. 64 years brody bi sorry. Brody be tell social media. O se Ghana paste kwa edim ye. Paste edi twhwe yese. Said there ya na household name nti am for kind pest student no. Pest student. Paste me many friend ye near you mazam Colgate na se for buy besin ne ni na fabuchire ni na Ghana he nya bi paste keke ye di twi yes ye nya bi mo so mo ko shambra ka mo shambra no emma ai shaban se bia enuma youth factory tie factory hwa de keka de o ha na no mo ko bia hwede ya entimi nya adwuma dai e friends eh commander shoe factory ni na wo ho oba na betra so no bodo ma machi eni se fo mo bako fo do achi mu ina aso pe luka da ya enkoye nke se kan tramo se masem no edoso ya kwa homa so na ni eni abema Livingston eni nkomo Livingston Kades young Kades Livingston good afternoon Yabo na so Livingston hello good afternoon all right yanku ya china yen sanfa Livingston Pechali the leader of Kades in the NDC young Kades no mo aba no ye ni bedi nkomo na nse be na otwumi enu no be tu bia say omo demand pink sheet any results are NDC for quality here when you vote 2021 na omuma empany for 2 weeks na twem omo ante 14 days and na omo say demonstration picketing and o homa no ni nkomo opani akwa everybody don't know so wadaroma de ojina no 10 ho kakra bi ma ye na ahoma no mu na kakra ma ye wadaroma hello wahoma no na say mwa papa obegina ye kakra ma ye asemo ba ye ma ji ni hwese bia ebetimi aye ya opani na bibia aboko de yede ya me ase ye ni komo kakra mu group from association no ni din de say hello I think say better call near sambo ye china ahoma no why papa ye nhwe se fa we shimi na me se bia betimi afana office ho good and the network no why papa eja busia ne bedi komo se saka na almost all mu demand pink sheets any collated results from the NDC it on my 14 days I'm timpani phone ka it no almost have press conference so one hey pani phone fani ma kwamu a on be start demonstration yembisa no omudi na se yembisa no the position in the party na omo association kwa party no recognize ana minimo nti so be ya no my new said the name eko abusia na ya homa na 0557 079077 0557 079 077 0557 079 077 and after 0546 894340 0546 894340 and here is me asanya na enza homa no na twesi kakra yeah hello minua otienka afede em se emu ya pa bibia boko de se de ya pa hello se de ya pa me ba show Livingston Pechali nyane ne kasei yeda se nyame shraw me ba show be say bu say Kades minim say ka Kades the Indian DC we have only one Kades mumu de at the same the free hin buy
there's no differentiating whatsoever. Kades has been part of NDC abra yes that is the just on a more part to never be part but for the party to contest the 1992 general elections abra yes so on
power they do also.
Even before that, and so over time said revolution by that's 1981. It was the Provisional National Defense Council of 1981. Cadres were part of this movement to bring that revolution in order to bring some change and stability into Ghana's political landscape. Over Kainswa in 1979, cadres were very, very instrumental in bringing about change in Ghana's political landscape when the Armed Forces Revolutionary Council, the AFRC, launched a redemption movement to make sure things are corrected in 1979. And the cadres here, they have been there for long. But in memory, cadres are standing up to correct situations that have gone wrong. And they thought,
all right, yeah, to us here was our kind. So now, also now, 79 and some past dates be a cadets, no sorry, and then Momo cadets here, can once me, the old one now, and a newly formed one, and I'll come once me.
Cadets for accountable leadership have people who are almost 18 years old, 17 years old, 15 years old. And I remember we are taking to train them on the ideas of probity, transparency, and accountability. And in fact, cadets have all manner of people who are working for the party. And as they say, I mean, look at it. Your membership, most of them, some of them, they say, I mean, look at it. They are holding positions in the NDC belt, constituency, regional, and wards. So regional demonstration, concert in the constitution. They will see our own executives are also part of the movement.
Some known NDC members are speculating and say your cadre, let me say, it's a Mumu cadre group is not recognized in the party. How true it is it?
Those are people who don't know anything about NDC politics. The NDC constitution has organs or structures that are recognized by the party. We have the National Executive Council, this is next. The National Executive Committee, this is next. We have the Council of Elders, that is recognized. These are structures that are mentioned in the constitution of the NDC. But in the same way, NDC comrades or NDC people can come together to fight for a particular cause. So we don't need cadres to be recognized before we can do something. Recognized in the party.
Oh, David, Tobo, because Sunday I know what they mammy, Mr. Adaroma. The say didn't come on a quick trip, but David, Adia Bufa, I only live in Penny Force, say a come to our influence and unity. Air before you can all my before a William Casasan, Mr. And can you need to come on a anyway. No, that is the word I don't want you to repeat anymore. Maybe some moving come on. Maybe I want to be very polite here, so please, and you just always sing with them creating white paper. Right, may I say, young Koso, what are the main reasons why you are picketing? Why? And then a pink sheet, also mom want to say, sell here's of the pink sheet, Nicole tell results ever. Tell us your mission and your motive behind all this you are doing.
You're my enemy. Because let's go to the person will be bad. And I will ask you, you know, sir, to make you really credit in the election. But there was one thing that was not working out. That was our leadership, the national executive. They were not able to coordinate things properly. You're going to bring court, you're going to say, vote. Nobody. Everything is a common now who will be brave. The 2020 election. How did you collect them? After you become a Supreme Court, what is your collect? You have just 1 minute remaining. Jesus Christ.
And I see the
same thing repeated in 2016. So right now, when we say there's a trend, people at the national level are trying to maintain the NDC as a failure electoral machine. And we cases, we are not going to sit up to watch that thing to happen in 2024. We need the things what they have collated. We need them now in order to make your analysis. They who said, how did we fare in the Western region? How did we fare in Bodi? How did we fare in the Lambele? How did we fare in the Lubu? Let's compare them. Let's ask questions. What went wrong? What went right? So that we can take measures right now to put our internal systems and mechanisms in place so that 2024. Sorry, you have no unit left.
All right. Mufan we corner signing Eddie Nkomo kakra afi hu se de enema no besi akro. Em se ye ni Nkomo na enkofu yi age age on power. Eya go so friend na afi ye ni Nkomo kakra. Na o kan se mebre but I fresh see we corner afi ye ni Nkomo. Francis ani ni Nkomo kakra. Abusia da so tie cheers 90.7 FM. We the first time in history. Even to hear that. Friend ya beko ni enko yanim. Na afi ye ni Nkomo. Mr. Abaka o hide ni be ni Nkomo sa so and ye nua bema from the NDC camp ibedi nkomo hello munia facha me ye nya break in the transmission enti to aso de kan na wo koroma me ni nkomo wo de ko ni meto aso wo ekte ko 1 minute to am na asa for do the to aso de ko ni now say you are organizing yourself for the 2024 elections and the count you need to put them on their toes you can
yeah, and you move me say, when you're in internal sales section, what went wrong? What went right? So that we can find problems, then fix it, then you see internal problems. Because 2024. Because 2024, yeah, it is for the taking. And we go to sleep to say, yeah. Now, back to another door, so you are not able to collect a result. Then people say, let's go to court. It's another disaster.
Yeah, let me. Wow. Now, how many actors are afraid of me that you're here? You who dear, yeah, because I was saying, community, echo him. Now, you be sana copim say, she said, JDM, yeah, there's a man for so you brass uncle. According to people, almost JDM, over 90% support from the LDC. Most of want to make a mammo pink sheets in coalitions. 2024 a better part, 2023-24 better part. Nambia said John Dramani Mahama still do they have belief in him? And I said GDB Edimo. You better won't come on actually, Mr. Wakawa. I feel from the LDC. I think that was your first time I'm doing no. The American dinner with Nenka Kramagata. Oscar also, but Oscar, you will do hand. Menino, Oscar. All right. Before I go, you know, King's group of companies. Say, I can tell Muslim Kunya Papa, ya in Ghana, the Akotona Blue. Ufie, Mkunya, or wardrobe, wardrobe, any the account in a King's group of companies. Some wardrobe, Papa, ya in Ghana. Open dining set, kitchen cabinet. Nkunya demo wardrobe any home na man pacho in a King's group of companies. Now open the Afafra Buchaban so a King's group of companies. Fridges, air conditioners, washing machines and the likes. Nina a King's group of companies. Pipe no takrade and no more. Achimota, Kissiman, I just send Malcolm and no more. 0501 332 330. Yes, I come man to you. Yeah, I mean yet you about your facha Hamani keeper facha.
So, I make the letter. It's here, you quote 2024. 2020, I know you. Supreme Court case na Urban said there's something wrong with our internal coalition. And the answer is the same. Now,
yeah.
You're not together. No, one more quality program for them them to be raising issues of being sponsored by the NPP or somebody, that is what for DME, there are people who have worked for the party. No one near the in the village, in the town. They have people have been beaten. People have been killed because of NDC.
If somebody want, because the way he's talking, we want to know if he had certain position in Kenya, in grand politician, what is his role? And we can able to help us address the issue as it is. Anybody at all can do what he does.
Now, at a high for 2, 3, or 10 people, party headquarters.
All right, let me see. Mami Musa question me. Beba show. Udin, according to your production, Livingston, Pechali. Are we right? Good. What is your position in the cadres? Which constituency do you belong to? Please.
Listen to me. I am the convener and spokesperson of the cadres for accountability.
Convener and spokesperson. Which constituency do you belong to?
Please listen to me. Don't rush.
No, I'm not rushing. I'm asking you questions. You need to answer me, please. You answer the first question. I went to the second question. You must answer.
Hold on.
I am holding on. Go ahead and talk.
I am a rover operations officer for the party.
Rover operations officer for the party.
Yes, which means I do covert operations. And I will make new radio too. If you can check my background, I have edited many newspapers that have already for many years. I have been communication director of the office of the president, special operations unit under President Akamel. So let no one question my credibility and credentials within the party.
Nobody is questioning your hello. No. Please, I'll listen to you, but
then you know where I'm coming from.
But there are some follow-up questions I need also. Go ahead.
I need not come out and brandish my party credentials in the open because the work I do for the party is very, very dangerous. But I am forced at this particular time to come out. As of now, if you call the party headquarters, none of them can come out to dictate themselves from me. Only the small and the young boys on social media would dare go on that again. I have worked tirelessly for this party for many years. And this party has helped me. Let people know that there are talented people who can do simple tasks in the party.
Hello, Livingston, do you still believe in John Dramani Mahama's potential as a presidential candidate?
Good question. If you look at the credentials of the Excellency John Dramani Mahama, he is the most experienced politician in Ghana today. Having followed all the strata of Ghana's political landscape of governance, he started as assemblyman, moved on to become MP, to deputy minister to vice president to president. This is somebody whose progression has been just very, 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 very awesome. So somebody that has no experience.
How did they correct him that the minister to do?
I'll do that.
I said big bad. Our leader ought to sit up and raise questions when some psychopaths around him are misbehaving. Since you have called me, I've seen that I'm getting the glimpses of information that you might be an internal editor. So we'll go internally. Let's go internally, Buddha.
I like that. Go ahead.
The Mahama struggled and raised some money from Nigeria. I don't want to mention where he raised those money from. The latter stages of the 2020 campaign and sent it to the party headquarters. These guys took the money and never delivered on simple rules and tasks for them to have delivered. As I'm speaking to you, John Mahama has been very, very quiet after this election. I expect you to raise and begin to set the record straight. I heard you guys have given you resources. You have not performed. Then we will identify those people and use them as scapegoats. I am saying that the mama ought to be fit in line to act as a leader. So don't ask me premature questions. I know the mama very well. I was his boy. I used to work for him. We even met in Sierra Leone in 2018 when I was working as a communications director of the Vice President of Sierra Leone. The mama was on duty as the head of the ECOWAS of River meeting in Sierra Leone. We met, we had lunch, I have pictures. What are people talking about?
Yeah, Livingston, the answer to my question is not clearly out. I ask you, please. I ask you, do you still believe in him to be a competent flag bearer for the NDC come 2024? That's the question I ask you.
If you were my student, I would tell you. Because I'm giving you tangential, I did not give you direct answer, I gave you tangential answer.
And I am not your student, I am a host, and you are my guest, you are my interviewee, so you need to answer my questions. I'm not your student.
You were going as if you were very, very situated in the politician of the NDC. That's why
I wanted you to give me a direct answer. That is what I wanted you to give me, because those who are listening to us now may not be able to answer and understand your idiomatic expressions. So give us direct answers.
Your friend is a question located as somebody who was next day. So I was taking you on tangential material that you yourself. Look, when you went to my hair for 20 years, until I know what I'm talking about. I've done your job for 20 years. So the way you started your question, that's why I wanted to tell you to go on with you.
Alright, so now, back to my question. Do you believe in him to be a competent flag bearer for 2024?
I have answered you already.
I didn't hear you.
I have answered already that his track record, as somebody who has experienced a lot from the basic structures of Ghana's political structure, that is somebody who must not be taken lightly. I have answered that he's the most experienced politician in Ghana today.
Right. So if John Dramani Mahama sits up right now, as you are demanding or requiring of him, would you still go by him, or you will still continue to do the picketing?
So I would regard your answer as a premature question. Your question as a premature.
You can't come here to insult my integrity. I am here to interview you, and you need to answer my question for the clearance of my listeners. Why do you turn my question into a premature question? I need you to answer me. That is what I want you to do.
We have not reached such a bridge. So if I move back on there, then we'll look at it and we'll follow.
But you are demonstrating against him. That is why I'm asking you that question.
My friend, listen to me.
Brother, I'm listening to you.
And you're listening.
Also, I can't say but we a question now to talk and from a good. That is what I'm seeing you doing now. It's how to talk from. You don't want to answer my questions. Go ahead and answer them so that they also understand you clearly.
Questioning. And you just come for you to come and be questioning me anyhow. As if I am in your courtroom. I have to be led in everything.
You are calling my questions here as anyhow questions.
Yeah, I'm calling your question of them as premature.
Oh, sir. Okay, answer them prematurely as you see it. Just come to my level and answer them. Oh, sir. All right, it's been very joyous speaking to you this afternoon. I actually didn't come up. Now you're here, but before you go, who is that? I would say Cheers FM. Ya watakra the 90.7 midin the ohene yamwa PSC.
Ohene yamwa PSC.
Yes, boss.
Because of our own case. That's I think you must be one of the hard-working companies. Remember. Okay.
Which one go shame?
Now you end this man.
This is how about Tommy. When I'm Tommy, when I'm coming. Ojatana. Ojatana.
Okay. So what's the show about? Is it only politics?
It's politics.
Okay. No matter. You have a bad speaker, but you have sometimes also.
Listen, Martin. After the show, you have to need Komowati.
Okay. Now where you are coming from before you start your question.
Martin, you are before needing Komo offer. Why? You have the why? Yamisha.
What?
Martin. Ah, Bibajo. Repeating your kind of your latter part of where you comment and repeating your name.
You see who we program now. Give me a message, okay?
Martin Zama.
I think you have a potential. I am looking at a journalist who is very, very probing, who wants to get the answer in one point, listen, and that's a good character of a promising journalist.
But any question you ask, we talk about it.
All right, thank you very much, brother. Yabeka Sanaya who debe. And you're here, Benedict. Say, and I know say questions here premature. I feel you're promising. It's here for this time. They're fast in America. I was Livingston Pay Charlie. According to him, was why is Mama, former President John Evans Atamos, John Dramani Mahama. Oh, yeah, it was also an NDC in pa. It's a main question, the credentials, but by God's grace, what you might be weak, I cry, you say you're him. Now, I say, we're Jankos are I Mr. Abaka, Aquaba.
You know,
the Bible for there.
The ones divine selection I came the other than the man. On Kuto, the other nasi. On easy, but with God, all things are possible.
We thank God. Mr. Mike Atta. Arrange. Unya Negasano, Unya Kida.
Oh no, Master, from the beginning of the interview up to now, and I'm still laughing. And then, see, what's come? I mean, share with Tifu. I mean, this is my first time in this studio, and I'm impressed. At least I like the surroundings. I like the setup. It's nice. I mean, cheers. I think Angel ABN is doing wonderfully well. I mean, countrywide. See, everyone about the what could visit you. Yankopana as a patch and yeah. We are appreciating committee. I think that in the sun is a man.
Sure.
Na ma waka. We are bria. This year for Chroma. Obia easy. Your friend. Was in here. That's the way the system is. It's quite some way, but in plain the elbow. Then I hope one other man was no man. I think we'll come to the substantive issue. Sure. You let me leave for now.
Sure. Just to clear your truth. Yeah. Evo. Welcome.
Thank you.
Fakodi Mukaka. Aha, there's the all left in them. Abuja, shares 90.7 FM. Facebook, Ohene Kwame Yamwa. Facebook, Ohene Kwame Yamwa. If you get there, you share. Now for information, person send it across to Ghana Perivono. Now for you to the amount. Now, or what me aboy, my name to me, I couldn't name. Messi Mahama Yaraga say, sorry, Hassan Ayaraga. Was it MPC no? A pen quality. Ah! Tese, what's it? So much time quality. A Kagana couldn't anymore. Monkoye a friend is saying a meeting na otofo aso V8 no ba team na conditions me so this will be a meeting na ukodu ha was honorable say memorial lunch no kuta coupon honorable say magi fuo was wo munya sa ne ma no na ga na nkolenim efo ye wakwa ba
Binu mi Joseph.
promo mu ne nkolenim
Oh, Eddie kan ma mentia na mentia MPP abusua nyina na na dodan kwakufuado and Dr. Alaji Baumia of Baumialistic. Baby will be a Michan Papa, and then the Western Regional Minister, Honorable Kwabino Chidakumensa, ne Western Regional Communication Director, Isa Fusi, and the Celia College of the party, and I Papa, Mr. Bekan, Michan Papa, and Michael Wankasas Chief for. Yarigari Watrenadi, democracy, what you see. Saka, police for Nebeka Nukraka. Or no so called the campaign, Yamamu on the Kamuna Komuka. Kami assures said before Becas ourselves, no Quebecas or Betu Sebians no waka.
and a condom good man.
Oh, said there be some in country, Messi.
Oh, come massive,
and I can say, Nakagana Police Service for
and I come back can you who on the Omu who on Musuli Kamwa. Naka Obe make his comment and I come back to Sebi. But Sebi, Cromfoni de Yachino.
Okay.
What is here?
Before them didn't know just. I was there, we are 54 into 1, and then Movan Shay Bill Romuka because of the interview we had. You be room kakra. Bill rat 3 no walk in kakra 5. But you didn't come on. Mahama is destroying the NDC. Supporters demonstrating for pink sheets. Omo no say me say John Dramani Mahama party no or say no omo mpe or say in a way say omo hia accountability on the 2020 elections. Omo so omo hia pink sheets. Omo hia collated results and they count. Omo the come on 2 weeks 14 days etwam amaso. Omo sa ahase nra. Say kai friends say enkontabu amaso a they will start picketing, they will start demonstrating. Mr. Tim Free, if you, because the penny force, your border more, your bo free. Mike, I'm a most party.
Yes, party.
Son of Mokano.
Oh, really?
You see, let's see party the most.
Mama
should be happy.
In fine check as in ma or yeah, a tea for waiting, and and this among you who are. Was a candidate for the and there will be when number in a Aquina will take him or HES 90.7. Let me say this. Niparanye Caseno. I know him personally.
Okay.
Meaning,
all right.
some of us, because of a Juma my party, we were privileged to at least one way or the other do some 1 or 2 jobs for the then castle.
Okay.
Under the late President Mills.
Okay.
And see, some of us we met with some of these guys. He's one person that when you have the opportunity to work outside the country through the party.
Okay.
So Eka Obia can perfectly there or a party member or a Cadbury member. He is one person that I can say is or Obia or a sympathizer to the party.
Okay. Sympathizer.
And
on your position war. Presidency.
You see, you brought on board people to work because in the media fraternity, say now, whilst he was making the submission, why editor for newspapers that are belonging to the NDC several times. Yes. And make now, I know where he's coming from and the trend he's coming from. Okay. But I don't want to go into that. I don't want to go into that aspect.
Shouldn't make it personal.
No, not personal. Yeah. He knows me.
Yeah.
But I don't want to go into that level with that issue. But the point is, party and now man kubia and now today kubia won't share. They are laid down rules and regulations. And in everything, so if a member and I say obi pay clarification to anything, you have to go through the process. That is common. It is said common sense. Okay. And sorry, I think your headquarters is in Accra. Kumasi, sorry. Yeah. If you have an issue with ABR management and ask anything, you don't start sit here and start demonstrating and picketing. Now, because if your management is not treating you good, you want to spoil the brand, and that's the best say the brand of ABN. No, you don't do that. Yeah. At least common sense back at there, you should follow the due process. First, you put out a memo, write and follow up, and do follow-ups. You see, and this is political party or your Congress, or your party, or your Congress, or your different yeah boma yeah or your Congress, or your coup also. And we don't have these splinter groups. Your Okeda group were partying, of which they are the backbone of the party because it was through them that the revolution came out. The NDC party was formed. Okay. Until we respect the Kedarship. Look, so actually recently the Kedarship we issue statement today. There's nothing of this group they recognize in this. The position also a rover man for whatever or a convener. People like titles and positions. Okay. When we were in the woods, I hear a campaign going around making sure sleepless night. Where were these people? If you need something, say any information from the party, where do you access it from? You're director of elections. Okay. If you need information about the elections, where do you go? You go to the director of elections. Why are you blaming John Mahama? Why are they attacking President John Dramani Mahama? Let me catch you there. I know where they are coming from. I know them trend. But here will be no. radio do announce there picketing, demonstrating, whatever. No, it's not how to solve a political party issue. So be a disciplined political party, and discipline should be a hallmark. National leadership will watch it. If truly these people they claim say, look, I should end look, MDC has his car and all those things, you know. Oh no, he didn't hear about it. Look, we should put people on the right track. Me and my man fantastic. Look, MDC political party, you cannot come and toil